Timeline for the corporate tax registration. 1. Resident juridical person. Dear all, this table illustrates the schedule for CT registration of resident juridical persons. For example, if the license of your company is issued on January or February, then you have to register within the 31st of May 2024. If it's issued in October, registration is required by the 30th of November 2024. 2. Resident natural persons. A resident natural person or sole proprietorship with a business turnover exceeding 1 million United Arab Emirates dirhams, established either prior to March 1, 2024, or thereafter, must complete registration by March 31st of the subsequent Gregorian calendar year. 3. Non-resident natural persons. A non-resident natural person or sole proprietorship with a business turnover exceeding 1 million United Arab Emirates dirhams, established either prior to March 1, 2024, or thereafter, should register within 3 months from the date of becoming subject to corporate tax. 4. Non-resident juridical person that has a permanent establishment (PE) in UAE. A non-resident juridical person that has a PE in UAE prior to the 1st of March 2024 should register within 9 months from the date of existence of the PE. A non-resident juridical person that has a PE in UAE on or after the 1st of March 2024 should register within 6 months from the date of existence of the PE. 5. Non-resident juridical person having nexus in the UAE. A non-resident juridical person that has a nexus in the state prior to the 1st of March 2024 should register within the 31st of May 2024, that is 3 months from the FTA decision number 3 of 2024. A non-resident juridical person that has a nexus in the state on or after the 1st of March 2024 should register within 3 months from the date of establishment of the nexus. 6. Late registration for corporate tax. Failure of the taxable person to submit a tax registration application within the timeframe specified under corporate tax law is subject to penalty of 10,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. To avoid penalties, please ensure timely registration before the specified deadline. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly watch our YouTube webinar series for detailed corporate tax information. Contact us, email, rbs@rbsaccounting.com. +971 458 39911, +971 258 37655, or visit our website www.rbsauditing.com/services.